Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will walk you through REsimpli all-in-one CRM design for real estate investors and agents. So guys, whether you are looking to manage leads, automate follow-ups, or close more deals, this tutorial will show you how to get started. So as you can see here guys, if you are new here, you just need to watch a demo here. And the first thing you need to do here is to visit their account, which is www.resimpli.com, and of course log in with your credentials. And if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial, I guess. And once you log in, you will land on the dashboard, which will gives you a quick overview of your business. So here guys, the dashboard is where you'll see your lead pipeline, marketing campaigns, revenues reports, and tasks. So it is designed to keep you organized and focused on closing deals. So to add a new lead guys, what you need to do here is you just need to click on leads in the left menu and then add lead. So fill in the details such as, for example, name, contact information, lead source, and property address. And then you can also assign a status like new, follow-up, or under contract to keep track of your deals. So with this website guys, you can set up automated follow-up sequence to ensure no lead falls through the cracks. So you can go to the task and automation section and then there create reminders and schedule emails, texts, or even calls to engage with your leads efficiently. So one of the best features of this website is its built-in marketing tool. So under the marketing tab guys, you can direct mail, SMS, and cold calling campaigns. So you will also get insights into which campaigns are generating the most leads. So on tracking deals and transactions, so to stay on top of your deals, navigate to the deals section here. You can track the status of every property, update financials, and monitor the progress from lead to closing. So this website guys also comes with an integrated phone system allowing you to make calls and send text directly within the platform. So here, this will help keeps all communication organized in one place. So to measure your business performance, you can check out the report section. There, you can track revenue, lead conversion rates, marketing ROI, and team performance. So these insights help you make data-driven decisions to grow your business. So here, as you can see, that's it. So this is an example of a streamline your wholesale deals. So here to keep your wholesale deals moving smoothly with a dedicated pipeline, track and close with confidence. So here you can tap on the get started for free button guys. And you can also have your file management, organize, access, and share with ease. Here you can centralize all your important file in one secure place guys. And the last one here is user access control. And that's a wrap guys. This website is a powerful CRM that simplifies lead management, marketing, and deal tracking, helping you close more real estate transactions. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.